Hi, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and also tap the bell notification. That way you stay updated on all my new videos. Alright, today it's another special video. I am actually in the kitchen. I'm actually in the kitchen and I'm gonna be making sour-sop juice. Now I went to the country today and a cousin of mine, cousin Bernard, he gave me a lovely sour-sop, already ripe, and we decided we're gonna make sour-sop juice. But it's not the sour-sop juice with the milk and all the stuff that you're probably familiar with. I'm gonna be making it with, actually not lime, but sour orange we call it. I don't know what you know it as, but we call it sour orange. I typically love to use lime instead of milk, but guess what, we don't have any lime, but we got some sour orange, which is the same family of fruits from down there, and we decided we're going to use sour orange today. Alright, so here is the sour-sop. I already started to peel it, right? But I'm gonna go into more detail here with you now and show you how I make authentic Jamaican sour-sop juice, and this time with sour orange. Stay tuned. Alright, so right now it's actually my wife who is doing the job here. She's removing the skin, the outer layer of the sour-sop. Right now it's already, I mentioned earlier that it's already ripe. Right, so it's very easy to take the skin off. And there you have it, lovely sour-sop, skin already removed, ready to be juiced. So just remove that inner layer, we call it the heart. What she's doing now is making the juice by squeezing. We poured water on it and then squeezing the pulp, that soft tissue, squeezing it out, squeezing out the water from it. Right, and what I think, yeah, we're gonna pour in the blender. We're gonna blend. A light blend, just to remove the seeds, and there are seeds in there, so to bring up the seeds, and we're gonna go again here. We're gonna take this, we're gonna remove the seeds now. This is a slow process, but depending on the sauce, you might have a lot of seeds in there. So remember though, the blending is a light blend. Just pick seconds just to stir it up so that the seeds jump out of the little pods that we see, and then we pick them out one by one. Very simple recipe. This one, as I said to you earlier, is sour-sop juice, but it's not with the traditional milk and stout and all that stuff. We actually like it a little lighter and perhaps even more nutritious. I stayed away a little bit from milk, my family as well, so we actually use the lime. Today we're gonna try the sour orange, thanks to my daughter. We actually got them from my uncle's yard back down there. I was questioning what she was about to do with them, but now, lo and behold, we have found use for it. Right, so we're gonna use that. My daughter's standing behind me, she's looking on. So what we're doing is to use this. Blend it now to get the real juice. Alright, so after the seeds have been removed, one more blending. Pour some more water on there. If you heard her. Yeah. Great. So there might still be seeds, I think that's what she was saying. But it doesn't hurt, not gonna hurt. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Now we're gonna strain. Still very thick, huh? Alright, so we have blended and juiced the sour-sop. So now we're gonna basically just add cut the sour orange and squeeze in there, and then sweeten to taste. Alright, that's pretty much it, as natural as you get, unless you're gonna just drink it. Unless you're gonna just drink it without sweetening, then this is probably the simplest way to do it. Alright, so here we go. Now, sour orange is, as the name implies, it's orange, but it's a little bit sour. Right? So it's not quite as sweet as orange. So it's almost have a limey, lemon taste. So that's why it's used like, sort of like a lime or lemon. But it's just as good. Alright, so you notice that we're straining because the seeds are getting there as well. Very tangy. And we're just going to use one for now, and then basically sweeten to taste. And I'm already looking forward to it. Basically sweetened to taste, no prescription, nothing in terms of how much sugar you should use or add. It's really up to your taste. The more natural, obviously, the better. So just sweeten to taste. Good. Some more sugar. I have some. Next time I'm going to be using what we call wet sugar, which is the raw sugar, the more concentrated version of table sugar. That includes the molasses and all the other elements. Sugar in its rawest form, not refined sugar. We have some of that. I have a lot of it. The next time I want to try using that. That one has the rum in there as well, the molasses and the rum. All right, so this is it. Sugar, Jamaican Soursop juice with sour orange and sugar. That's it. And thank you very much. We're gonna have a taste, and I'm gonna taste it now. And let me know if you have any questions or comments. Share them with us in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you. Tell me if you do it. Let me know how it went. All right, looking forward. Right, that's it. So here you go, Jamaican Soursop juice. So here we go. Authentic Jamaican Soursop juice. Really nice, very tasty. The first time I'm having it with what we call it? Sour orange, yes, sour orange, but it's really nice. Thank you very much for joining. Share your comments below. Thank you.